Welcome to my YouTube channel, Shifa Medical Information. Peace be upon you. You are viewing Shifa Medical Information, where we bring you authentic and useful health information. If you want your lungs to always be healthy and strong, then watch this video till the end, because today we are going to talk about the amazing benefits of cloves that can make your lungs clean and strong. Lungs are very important to our body because they provide us with oxygen. But pollution, smoke, and unhealthy food can weaken our lungs. In this case, clove acts as a natural medicine. Cloves have antioxidants and antibacterial properties, which help in asthma, bronchitis, and other respiratory ailments. It helps in diseases. Cloves help to thin out mucus, making the lungs clean and work better. If you or someone you know smokes, cloves can reduce the damage to their lungs. Cloves contain vitamin C and antioxidants that strengthen our immune system and lungs. If you want your lungs to stay healthy forever, add cloves to your diet today. Let us know in the comments how you use cloves. For more such useful and authentic information, subscribe to our channel, Shifa Medical Information, and press the bell icon so that you will receive all our new video updates. See you in the next video. Until then, take care. Allah Hafiz.